Hey, I'm going to give you guys an instruction on how to replace the ice tray for the Samsung ice maker. I'll open up my refrigerator here and I will take out the ice bin, set it to the side. When you guys, when you take this apart, you'll notice that there's also a piece of foam, a rubbery foam piece, which is where the thermostat fits into. If I can kind of make it look kind of right here. And then there's a plastic piece which will fit around that. That piece will ultimately fit inside here. There we go. So that's going to hook back together there. In order to get it installed into the ice maker in the correct position, there's a device right here that you'll have to take out. There's a lever on the side. You press it, or you'll push it up and slide it out. Then this will drop down and you can install the ice tray. Like that. That's simple enough. Okay, I've got the power back on and the ice tray is installed. This is just kind of give you the correct perspective here. This is underneath, and you can see right here there is a switch. So how you test it. And you see everything's working right. It just filled back up with water. And then once that is back in, you just reinstall your ice bin. And once that's in place, you're ready to make some ice.